going on, Bella Gang? It's your girl Lover Natural, back at it again with another hair video. Ladies, Bella Gang, in this video I'm going to show you my easy technique to cutting some cute Chinese bangs. This wig is from VRBest Hair, and I can see why they say VRBest Hair because this hair is silky straight. It gave me no problems, as you guys can see in this video. Cutting it was a breeze, straightening it was like 1, 2, 3. This hair is so bomb. I'm going to leave all the hair information in the description box below. So if you a person like me, well, the person I used to be, where I didn't know how to cut my bangs, watch this video. It's so easy. My technique is easy. It's 1, 2, 3 peasy. And for this wig, it came straight, and I said, you know what, why not, me take it back to the Nicki Minaj days and go with a straight bang. Of course, I'm not professional, so it's not going to be super perfect, but it pretty much got the look that I wanted. It got the job done. So if you guys like how my hair looks, you should definitely follow what I do in this video, and you should definitely purchase this hair. Once again, the hair information will be in the description box below. This wig unit is about 26 inches, by the way. It's a natural black color, and it is bomb. So make sure after you watch this video, you go ahead and click the link in the description box and get you some VRBest hair. Oh my gosh, this is literally giving me Nicki Minaj vibes. But anyways, enough talking. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Bella_bars. And I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. And I hope it was helpful for you guys. I love you so much.